Good day, I'm Andrea Chisholm and this is your jIS News for Wednesday, January 22. Bank of Jamaica Governor Brian Winter is predicting that Jamaica will see a decline in inflation over the medium term.
That decline, in combination with a more competitive exchange rate, will foster increased price competitiveness for Jamaica's exports of goods and services. Lower inflation will also allow Jamaican businesses to finance investments at lower interest rates, better terms.
Mr. Winter adds that inflation for the fiscal year, April 2013 to March 2014, will fall somewhere in the middle of the projected rate of between 8.5% and 10%. Two main factors should contribute to single-digit inflation.
The reduction in fiscal deficits and the public debt will make more resources available to the productive sector, and it will complement Bank of Jamaica's thrust to maintain single-digit inflation and indeed to lower it.
In the meantime, the BOJ governor has confirmed the pronouncement of the Economic Program Oversight Committee that Jamaica is expected to meet all quantitative targets and structural benchmarks for the October to December period under the IMF agreement. Mr. Winter was speaking at the recent economic forum hosted by the Jamaica Manufacturers Association. There is optimism that tourist arrivals to Jamaica for this calendar year will surpass the milestone of 2 million plus stopover visitors reached in 2013. Already, more than 30,000 additional rooms are available, adding to the positive growth signs from the traditional North American areas and new and emerging markets in Latin America and Europe.
We are therefore confident that given the increases in airlift that we have achieved and the resumption of growth in the accommodation sector, Jamaica's visitor arrivals are likely to sustain the trajectory that they have recently attained.
Last year, the country earned more than $2 billion from the tourism industry. The tourism minister says this is encouraging both foreign and local investments in the areas of hotel accommodation and increased airlift seats. Meanwhile, the public will soon know the way forward with regards to the Integrated Resort Development (IRD) program. Last June, the Finance Ministry issued a request for proposals for the IRD, of which casino gambling is a component. Now, Tourism Minister Dr. Wickham McNeil is advising that 4 proposals were tendered and are being evaluated.
4 expressions came in, one from Amatero, one from Jamaica Casino Royal, the Jacksol Group, one from Harmony Cove and one from Celebration. Now, there's evaluation being done and due diligence. It's being led by the Ministry of Finance, and the process is ongoing. I've been assured that by summer we should have some release on what would happen going forward.
Minister McNeil was speaking recently at the Caribbean Travel Marketplace 2014 Media Briefing Luncheon. The Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries is taking steps to further improve the policy environment for the sugar industry. To that end, Portfolio Minister Roger Clark says recommendations from a review of the Sugar Industry Authority and the Sugar Industry Research Institute are being implemented.
The ministry is now commencing an upgrade of series capacity, starting with the laboratory in Mandeville with the expenditure of some $17 million to purchase equipment through the European Union Accompanying Measures Program.
Minister Clark says the upgrade will continue through to the 2015-2016 financial year to standardize best practices. 8 of Jamaica's protected areas are to receive new or updated management and business plans. The business plans should help the entities responsible for protected areas identify projects that can generate revenue. The work is being executed through a project called Strengthening the Operational and Financial Sustainability of the National Protected Area System. It will be implemented by the National Environment and Planning Agency (NEPA) and continues through to 2016. And finally, another call has been made for more persons, including the private sector, to partner with the government to help develop the healthcare system.
Join hands with us. We are not asking for you to do more than you can manage. We are asking you to share with us some of your resources that you can give.
The Southeast Regional Health Authority chairman made the comments while touring a recently refurbished ward at the Kingston Public Hospital. Through the generosity of ordinary Jamaicans and companies in the private sector, Ward 2A was draped and repainted, and a private room was outfitted with flat-screen TVs, a refrigerator, and furniture. Bathroom fixtures and partitions were also installed, and the flooring improved. And that's it for jIS News today. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Thank you for watching.